Hello, this is Dr. Dora. Welcome to AI and Our Future. Here's today's question. Will AI replace accountants? First, accounting looks like one of the easiest professions for AI to replace. Think about it. Voices, receipts, bank reconciliation, expense reports, payroll, tax calculation, financial statements. Accounting is filled with numbers, rules, documents, and repetitive transactions. That's exactly the thing computers are incredibly good at processing. So if machine can process numbers faster, cheaper, and without getting tired, why should we still need accountants? But accounting has never really been about arithmetic. Accounting is about deciding what the number means. Imagine a company buy a factory for $100 million. Should that $100 million become an expense today, an asset for the next 30 years? How quickly should it lose value? And what happens if the factory becomes obsolete? Suddenly, there is no single number. There is judgment. And some of those most important numbers in financial statements aren't actually known at all. How much debt will never be collected? How much will future lawsuit cost? And how long will an asset remain useful? Can the company survive for the next 12 months? Those numbers are estimated about an uncertain future. AI can build the model, but someone has to challenge the assumption behind those models. And this becomes even more important in auditing. Imagine AI examining every transaction multinational company made during an entire year, millions of transactions. This is far more powerful than an auditor manually tests a small sample. But suppose that AI found something strange, someone deliberately creates transactions designed to look normal to the algorithm. This is where accounting becomes interesting. Auditing is not simply checking numbers, it's professional skepticism. Investors, regulators, boards, banks, and the public need someone who is accountable for the conclusion. That reveals the real purpose of accounting. An accountant creates trust in numbers. The routine layer is being automated. The judgment layer is becoming more important. And AI actually making accountants more powerful. Instead of spending hours matching receipts, reconciliating spreadsheets, content can spend more time investigating anomalies, understanding business, evaluating risks, advising management, and ask better questions. For young accountants, they have to supervise systems they truly need to learn to understand. That may become one of the biggest challenges in this profession. So will AI replace accountants? It will replace a lot of accounting work, but the content of future will move upward from recording transactions to interpreting them, from preparing reports to questioning them, from calculating numbers to explain what those numbers mean, and from processing information to protecting the trust. So in the future, AI will do much of the accounting. Then the question becomes, when machine produce the numbers, who will make sure those numbers deserve to be believed? This is where the accounting of the future begins, because AI can calculate numbers, but trust still has to be earned. This is the AI and our future. Do you think it will replace accountants? Leave your comments.